Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Hulu on your Fire TV, follow this full tutorial to start streaming movies and shows. Step 1. Turn on your Amazon Fire TV device and make sure it's connected to the internet. Step 2. From the Fire TV home screen, navigate to the Find or Search option using your remote. Step 3. Type Hulu in the search bar using the on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Select the Hulu app from the search results when it appears. Step 5. Click on the Get or Download button to install the Hulu app on your Fire TV. Step 6. Wait for the download and installation to complete, which should only take a minute or two. Step 7. Once installed, select Open to launch the Hulu app for the first time. Step 8. Sign in to your Hulu account by entering your email and password, or activate your device by visiting hulu.com. Activate on a computer or mobile device and entering the activation code shown on your TV screen. After successful login, you can browse and stream content from Hulu's library, including live TV if you have that subscription tier. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.